In today's digital age, it's essential to recognize the risks and vulnerabilities tied to our online presence. One of the most serious threats is sextortion, a crime that preys on people through platforms like WhatsApp. In this video, we'll explain what sextortion is, how it works, and provide a clear step-by-step guide on what to do if you become a victim. We'll also share preventive measures to protect yourself, show how to report cases using WhatsApp's reporting system, and highlight resources for coping with the emotional and psychological impact of sextortion. With so much to cover, let's get started. What is sextortion? Sextortion is a type of online blackmail where offenders coerce victims into providing explicit images or videos, often using threats or manipulation. Once they obtain intimate material, criminals demand money while endangering the victim's privacy and security. It's crucial to understand that anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background, can become a victim. So how does it usually unfold? How does sextortion work? These schemes often begin with what looks like a casual chat on WhatsApp. Scammers build trust, sometimes pretending to be a romantic interest or using social engineering tactics. Once victims share compromising images or videos, the scammers threaten to expose them to friends, family, or colleagues unless payment is made. Identifying risks and red flags. To avoid becoming a target, you must stay alert to common warning signs. Here are a few. Unsolicited messages from strangers, conversations that escalate quickly into flirtatious or sexual language, and unusual requests for explicit content. Demands for money or threats of exposure are also red flags that must be taken seriously and reported. How can you mitigate the risks? While sextortion is frightening, proactive steps can help reduce the risks. Review your WhatsApp privacy settings to ensure only trusted contacts can view your profile photo, status, and last seen activity. Be mindful of what you share online. Think carefully before sending intimate material to anyone, even someone you trust. Activate two-factor authentication on WhatsApp for added security, making it harder for criminals to gain access to your account. Report suspicious messages immediately to protect both yourself and potential future victims. Immediate steps after falling victim. If you do become a victim, act quickly to minimize the damage. First, try not to panic. Document all evidence by taking screenshots of conversations, threats, and demands. Contact local law enforcement and provide them with everything you've gathered. Lean on trusted family, friends, or legal advisors for support. And always report the account directly through WhatsApp's built-in reporting system. Here's how. How to report sextortion on WhatsApp. Open the chat with a suspicious user, tap on their name, scroll down to select report, and choose the appropriate category, such as spam or harassment. Provide any details requested and submit the report so WhatsApp can begin its investigation. How can Blackmail.HelpLine help you with WhatsApp sextortion? Beyond reporting, don't hesitate to get professional help. The smartest way to combat sextortion is with the guidance of licensed specialists in digital forensics and cybersecurity, like our team at Blackmail.HelpLine. We understand the tactics used by these criminals and have the tools and expertise to gather evidence, trace offenders, and shield you from further harm. Our advanced technology can uncover real identities, locate perpetrators, and neutralize their attempts to use your personal content. With a success rate of 95%, we can effectively stop blackmail attempts, intercept communications, and prevent your images or videos from being leaked. Protecting your privacy is always our top priority. In sextortion cases, fast action is essential, and we're ready to help. Coping with the aftermath. Of course, the impact of sextortion isn't only digital. It also takes a heavy toll emotionally and psychologically. Seeking therapy can provide much-needed relief, offering a safe space to process your emotions and develop coping strategies. Remember, you are the victim of a crime, and it's okay to not feel okay. You are not alone, and help is available. Our specialists frequently work alongside law enforcement, the FBI, and major organizations to stop cybercrimes like these. Conclusion: sextortion is a serious crime with devastating consequences, but by knowing the risks, recognizing the red flags, and acting quickly, you can protect yourself. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember that you don't have to face this alone. If you need immediate assistance, call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com. Together, we can create a safer online environment for everyone.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.